Captain Jollibee says, group yourselves into... O, wala pa. Wala pa. Okay, kung kanina 4, mag-a-addition tayo. Okay? 4 plus 2. Ilan? 4, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, ka, anim.
Ay,
Okay, sobra isa. Sino yung wala sa inner circle? May sobra ba dyan? Sobra? Okay, anim. Dito. Ilan dito? Anim din. Kuya Lloyd, anim.
Parehas
Okay, so we have 12 Jolly Kids. So, palakpakan ng mga Jolly Kids natin. Very good, very good. Okay, na-out na isa, pero meron pa siya ng logo, ng balloon. Okay, dahil dyan, form one big circle again. Form one big circle, form one big circle. Form one big circle, ayan. And this time, sabi ni best friend Jollibee, lahat ng mga kamay naka number 1. Boys, huwag kayo mga baka masaktan kayo. Lahat ng mga kamay naka number 1. And ikot, turn around. At sa pag-ikot nyo, okay, talikod. Talikod, about face guys, ayan. Hindi dapat kayo magkakatawag dito, magkakakitaan kung sino-sino magiging partner nyo. Talikod lang, talikod, talikod, talikod. About face, ayan. And shake your body down. Shake your body up. Shake your body down. Shake your body up. Turn around. And talikod pa rin. Ayan. Kailangan di pa rin kayo magkakakitaan. Okay? The boat is sinking. Captain Jollibee says, group yourselves into 5. Go! 5! 5! Dali! 5! Okay, 5 na to. Okay, 5 na to. 5 na to. Okay, let's see. 5. Ayun. Dito ka Maria. Ayan. Silang dalawa. Ayan. Dahil dyan. Bilang ko yan, Lloyd. Bilang dito. Okay, good. Sa kabila ni Min. Good. O, sino na out? Yung dalawa. Ano sabihin sa kanila? Bye-bye! O, sit down na kayo. Don't worry, may second game pa tayo. O, dahil dyan, 10 na lang ang ating mga Jolly Kids. O, yung 10. For one big circle again. O, for one big circle again. Ayan, sa malaking bulon, And this time, Jollibee has a warning for us. Ano din yung warning na yun, okay? Jollibee's boat is about to sink. At kailangan natin lumipat sa mas maliit na sasakyan na tinatawag na bangka.